Hello guys. Do you know that you can create a program to remove the background of any image without even knowing how to code? AI can help you do that in 1 minute. All programs, code, and tools used in this video are in the description below. Sit back and enjoy the ride. What you're seeing here is the final result. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build this program using AI, step by step from start to finish. It is a one-click background remover that handles hair, glass, even smoke. No sign-up, no watermark. Follow along, grab the code, and it's on your machine in under a minute. First of all, create a new folder and call it Remove. Start Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed Python or Visual Studio Code yet, I've made a separate setup video. You can find it in the card above and in the description below. Open the folder Remove inside Visual Studio Code. Now create a new file called remove.py. Launch a terminal in the Visual Studio Code. Copy the AI prompt from the description box. Go to your internet browser and open an AI website of your choice. I personally chose kimi.com. Now, paste the prompt and hit enter. Wait until the AI website finishes generating your program code and the instructions for running it. Copy the Python library install commands. Paste the Python library install commands into the terminal and hit enter. Wait for the installation to finish. Copy the generated code from AI. Paste it into remove.py and save the file. Run the copied code by typing python remove.py in the terminal and pressing enter. We have a runtime error. Let us try to fix the error with the help of AI. Copy the error message. Paste the error message in AI and hit enter. The AI generates a solution for the error. Copy the commands the AI provided to fix the error. Paste the fix in Visual Studio Code terminal and hit enter. Wait for the commands to finish running. Let us try to run the program again by typing python remove.py and hitting enter. And just like that, the code is up and running. Let us try it to see if it is doing what we want. Select any image. The background disappears instantly. Let us try another image. You now own a free, unlimited background remover. No sign up, no watermark. Comment below with any features you would like me to add to this program, and I'll show you in the next video how to add it using AI. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the walkthrough, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment below for questions, requests, or just saying hi, and I'll turn your ideas into the next video.